So the debate is raging again. Is Novak Djokovic the greatest tennis player of all time? Ignited this time by Novak winning Grand Slam title number 23, which is more than any other player in the history of tennis. But again though, it cannot be conclusive and credible analysis to argue that the most Grand Slam wins equals the greatest player ever. There are too many variables at play, and all things are never equal in sports, especially across eras. The main intangible that renders this conclusion flawed is the comparative quality of the opponents across eras. Djokovic, 23, Nadal, 22, and Roger Federer, 20 titles, were also far ahead of the rest of the modern field. So them just basically share up all the recent slam titles. Does it mean they are all greater than Pete Sampras with 14 titles, who had to share titles with Andre Agassi et al.? I can remember when Roger Federer was at the top of his game and had the most titles. Every expert said Federer is the greatest ever and blah, blah, blah. Now Federer get old. Novak is reigning. So Novak is now the new greatest. So everything that is newer is greater. What can go so? None can go.